Legends of Learning presents the Halloween Candy Treat Game. This is a math game that makes learning about structure of statistical data fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, the Candy Factory has a big order for Halloween. The factory manager has challenged his team to deliver the order within a month. Collect the candy in the Halloween bag and dodge the eerie bug coming across. Make sure to collect and analyze the data after each game play. Help him collect data for his factory and represent them on different data charts. Your goal is to collect the candy in the Halloween bag whilst dodging the eerie bugs. Click with your mouse to jump. Use your mouse to represent the candy or team data by completing the different data charts as per instructions. Collect data from all 4 buildings of the factory and represent them correctly to win the game. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.